How to stream on Twitch with Streamlabs. So first you want to open up your browser and make sure that you have a Twitch account. So for example, this is my account right here. And then you will need to download and install Streamlabs, of course, by searching for Streamlabs and clicking on the first link. And then click on Streamlabs desktop right here, which will start downloading Streamlabs. Now, once it's installed, simply run the installer and follow these steps to install the Streamlabs application. And once it's done, press finish to run the Streamlabs application. Otherwise, you can run it manually. And once it's running, you want to press live streaming right here, click continue, and then you will need to create a Streamlabs ID or a Streamlabs account. Click on create a Streamlabs account. Now, if you have one already, you can simply press the login button at the bottom right here. And then you want to sign in with your platform that you use to sign up, or you can basically log in with an email and password. And when you press login with email, Streamlabs ID, or whatever platform you choose, it will basically open up a browser window like this, where you will need to enter your email and password. And then it should redirect you back to Streamlabs when you signed in. And if you have previous settings from other streaming software, such as OBS Studio or Twitch Studio, you can import them by clicking these buttons right here to import from OBS or Twitch Studio. Otherwise, you can click on Start Fresh if you don't have any pre-configured settings. And then it will basically ask you to select your webcam device and your visual presets if you want to apply any visual presets. And then it will ask you to select your microphone and then click on continue. Then it will suggest you to install a theme for your Streamlabs, such as the dark mode. You can skip this if you don't want to do that. And then it will suggest you to choose a plan. So you can go for free and basically stream and go live and use all of these features right here. But if you want extra premium features for your stream, you can choose the Ultra, which is a paid plan, I think. Then I'm going to choose free for now. And then you can start configuring your applications. So for example, you want to add a scene here, and then in the scene, with the scene selected, you want to add sources to capture. So for example, game capture to capture the game window, or display capture to capture the entire screen, regardless of what window is active. You can also add media files and then capture specific windows or capture a specific part of the screen. You can basically check these out and build basically your sources like this, whether you want to add icons, logo, images, video of yourself, of the camera, and then you can basically hit the I button to display or hide this, and click and drag to place it over any position of the screen. Now let's get to setting up the streaming or live settings. So you want to click on the settings button right here, and then you want to go to the stream tab and basically select the stream destination or the platform where you want to go live. So in this case, Twitch. You want to click on the connect button right here. So I have unlinked my Twitch account to show you how to do it. First, you want to select streaming services, and then you want to select the service, in this case Twitch, and then server set to auto recommend. And then you want to basically get the stream key and paste it here, or basically just link your stream account. So in order to get the stream key, you want to open up your browser and head to twitch.com and then or twitch.tv, and then click on your profile logo, and then you want to click on the settings. Now in the settings window, you want to expand this dashboard on the side from the home button right here. Click on the settings and then click on stream under settings. And in here you should see primary stream key, which you can basically copy by pressing the copy button, and then go back to the application and paste your key right here. And make sure to not share this key publicly. If you did by mistake, you can basically go back to the settings page and click on reset to get a new key and invalidate the old one. And once you paste it right here, you can go to the output to configure the bitrate and the encoder. And then you want to switch this output mode from simple to advanced. And for the encoder, if you have a good GPU, such as an NVIDIA GPU, you can basically use the NVIDIA NVENC H264 or this one, which is new. It depends if you have a good GPU or not. Otherwise, you can stay to the software encoder or put it on the software encoder. And then for the bitrate, this depends on your upload speed. So it's usually recommended to put it around 8,000 if you have a decent upload speed. Otherwise, you can keep it at 5,000 and adjust it based on your upload speed and the stream quality. So basically, the higher is the better the quality, but it also consumes more upload on your network. Now, this is the basic stuff. You can press on Done. And if you also want to link your accounts, you can do this, which is basically a alternative method where you can click on the login button at the bottom left-hand side and then choose the platform which you want to log with, such as Twitch. And it will basically open up a page where you are going to authorize your Twitch account to be connected. Just click on authorize and make sure you're signed in before you do that. Now it will basically link your Twitch account like this, or you can link it using the key we have copied from here. It's pretty much the same, but linking it right here with the login will basically allow you to add chat and stream stats to the OBS so you can see them. And then simply you just want to press go live and select the platform that you want to go live on. You can do multiple platform streaming at the same time. Click on confirm and go live and wait for this to start video broadcasting. And as you can see here, since I logged in with my Twitch, I can see the chat window and it's telling me that it's live right now. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching and subscribe.